Hi, welcome to this channel, and today we're going to show you how you can solve your iPhone unavailable issues. One of my brother had his issues with his iPhone 7 Plus and he gave it to me to solve the problem. Now, if you have the same problem with your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, just like that, or you try to give it a forced restart but it seems like nothing is working, then relax, because in today's video, I'll go ahead and quickly show you how to solve the problem. Now, before we start the process, here is the quick precaution. If you follow the process that we're about to demonstrate in this video, this will erase everything you have on your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. Now, if you don't care about your contents that you might have on your iPhone and you want to solve your iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, keep on watching this video to solve your problem. Now, to solve the problem, you need few things. First, you need a computer with iTunes. Second, you need a lightning cable. And now, if you're using a Type-C lightning cable, then additionally, you're gonna need a dongle. Now, once you have these three things, now let's get started with the process. First, now you gotta connect your iPhone 7 Plus or 7 right to your computer. Now, once you connect your computer, now all you want to do is just go ahead and quickly press that power button and the volume down button, and you gotta keep them holding unless your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus shows the recovery logo. Now, once it shows you the recovery logo here, now on your computer, all you want to do is just go ahead and open up your iTunes. Now, if you're using a Windows computer and if you haven't installed iTunes, then you can simply look for your iTunes either from your Microsoft Store or you can download it from Google. Once you have it, install it and now open this up. Right after that, then you'll get a prompt. And now, just go ahead and click on Update. Now, click on Update again. Right after that, just click on Next. Now click Agree to the terms and condition, and right after that you'll be able to see now your iPhone software is start downloading over here. Now you gotta wait unless your software get downloaded. Now once your software get downloaded, once again all you have to do is just go ahead and grab your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, now press that power button and the volume down button simultaneously unless you see the recovery logo or the iTunes logo on your device. Now once you get this, you're gonna get a pop-up once again on your computer. Now this time, all you want to do, you want to click on Restore and then click Restore and Update. After that, you're going to see your software is going to start extracting on your computer. Now doing this process can take a little long, and while doing this process, your iPhone can take a restart for several times, but don't worry, just leave your iPhone unless you are being able to successfully restore your iPhone software directly from your computer to your iPhone. Well, after doing all the process, you're going to get a prompt where it says the message will be dismissed in 10 seconds. Wait till your device get restarted, and then you're going to be able to see your iPhone is going to get a restart, and this is going to say hello in the different languages. That means your iPhone has been restored successfully. Now all you got to do, you got to set up your iPhone as usual. Well, this is how you guys can solve your iPhone if it shows you iPhone unavailable problem on your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.